This is
Hi everyone, today I want to quickly share how to change a battery for an old Verizon fios unit, that we had it installed before we moved in this house. I'm not sure how many years old this is, but I can give you the model number. It's model DBBU1238, and we were looking to replace the battery because we have this light on here, and initially it felt that you could just snap this open, but my husband figured it out that there is a screw right here in this little compartment. If you have something like this, then this is where the screw is located. You use a, what's this, a flathead?
no. It's these.
We don't know all the appropriate words, but if you see, it's kind of an a screw opener which is round. Find the right one that fits in. You pull the screw out, and it's easy. You just pull this off, and then how do you open? You snap it open, and this is the big gigantic battery that you need to replace.
Pull this.
So
Pull this out.
Yeah, and then pull the battery out from its. And you want to wait now for 30 seconds before you insert the battery and reset it. So we're going to wait for 30 seconds. Hold on. So now we put the battery back on, and you're going to plug it in.
Press this small thing here, this nozzle.
The notch that is there, and there you go. The battery,
Replace battery is gone.
the light is gone, and snap that in, and then you close the box. This is how easy it is to reset your battery. If you do have a battery replacement light on your Verizon fios box, this is an older model, probably in between the early 2000s. And I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I just want to kind of show it's a Motorola, it's a Verizon. The older Verizon box that has, now probably is fios, but this is our old box, and this is what you need to do to replace your Verizon fios backup battery. Thanks for watching. One quick comment is that you can save about $40 to $50 by just resetting the battery, pulling it out, waiting for 30 seconds, and then pushing it back in. And that way you can save probably on a home call that you would pay Frontier or Verizon for it. And hope this works. Thanks for watching.